Welcome to the video tutorial for your website builder concerning search engine optimization. In this video, we're going to show you some of the ins and outs of the search engine optimization process to make sure that your website has some great on-page search engine optimization to help you with the search results. We have already logged into the website builder admin account and we are ready to go. Over on the left side is an item that says SEO. So we simply clicked on it and we are already here. One thing to notice, and this was also covered in the very first video tutorial about the website builder starter. Up here it says you do not have your post name and the URL of your posts and pages. It's highly recommended that you do. Consider setting your permalink structure to the post name. Now you can easily fix this just by hitting fix it, and then that will take care of that problem. Alright, so we have just done the basic configuration of the search engine optimization for the site. It is up to you to fully configure the rest of it. The rest of this page you really do not need to worry about. Click on the Your Info tab. This would be your website name. This would be your business name or the actual name of your website. By default, it is going to show in gray text here the actual name that was previously typed in under the settings general. So if you've already set that, then you don't necessarily need to change this. Company or person, you will change this to choose whether this is a company website or a personal website. Then you can hit save your changes. Next, click on the Webmaster Tools. The Webmaster Tools allows you to get Webmaster toolkits on various websites. This will allow you to submit sitemaps and also kind of control and see your overall search engine rankings on these different platforms. So to get these items, you simply would click on each of these, and then that will take you to their website to create an account. You would then need to follow the instructions for getting the code or the verification IDs, which you will then type in here. Once you have those put in, you will save your changes. On each of these sites, such as Alexa, Bing, Google, and Yandex, you will also have to verify that you have ownership of the website. This is why you will need to put the actual IDs or the codes provided in here, save the changes, and then verify on their website. That way it will then verify your ownership of the site, and that will allow you to make use of their Webmaster toolkits. Alright, clicking on the Security tab, nothing really needs to be set in here at all. Next, let's go down to Titles and Metas. Let's click on this, and this is what will allow you to rewrite the titles of your website. Usually it will just be the page name and maybe the title of your website. So here you can change the separator. You can put a dash in between. You could put a item here. You can put a squiggly mark. It's really up to you on how you want that to show up. Ensure you are hitting the Enable Force Rewrite titles as well. This is very important because one of the biggest factors for the on-page search engine optimization is what the title of your web page is, as well as the URL or the website link. Let's click on the home page, and there's really nothing much that we can do here. It already tells you that if you want to change the name of the home page, you will need to edit the front page itself and just change the title there. Clicking on post types, nothing really needs to be changed here. All the defaults are good. Taxonomies, the same way. We would recommend that all of the other items really be left as they are currently. Alright, let's go to social, and this is where you can tell the search engines about your social networking pages. So if you have a Facebook page URL, put it there, a Twitter username, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. So you can put each of your items in there, and that will also help with the optimization. There's other ways that you can also make this a little more integrated. We have not really done this ourselves, but you can create Facebook apps and also put that in here as well. So you've got Facebook, you've got Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. So We usually don't work or do anything with these ourselves, but you certainly can. Next is the XML sitemaps. If you recall, we worked on getting Webmaster Tools under the General tab here. Now, one thing that you can do is upload an XML sitemap. The XML sitemap basically is kind of a table of contents, and it helps the search engines find all the pages on your website. So all you simply have to do is click this XML sitemap, and that is the sitemap for your site that you can submit to the Webmaster Tools. In essence, you can actually right-click on it and also hit Copy Link Location, and then just take that into the Webmaster Tools and paste it in there. Really, for the most part, everything else you do not need to change. We recommend leaving the media off because you simply don't want people copying your pictures from your website. Alright, so that takes care of that. Clicking under the Advanced, enable breadcrumbs. You can certainly do that if you'd like, not necessary. And there's all kinds of other items in here as well. Again, we just leave this to the defaults. Okay, so what about actually doing the keywords and the meta tags, like the descriptions for each page? To do that, you will either click on Pages or Posts. Posts are items that would appear in your blog. Pages would be actual pages for your website. So already, we can see here that it's gray for SEO. It's got the SEO title, but we have not put a meta description or a keyword in here. To change that, you just click the name to edit it, and the content editor appears. This is where you would actually put your information for the information you want on the web page. Scrolling down a little bit more, and here is where we have the info. So this is a focus keyword. You need to choose one keyword or phrase and put in here that you want to focus this specific web page on. The SEO title, again, it's grayed out, but it automatically has the name of the page, a dash, and then the name of the website, which in this case is still the default of Website Builder. And then finally, this is your meta description. So this is your meta description. You notice how it automatically added that right here. So in the search engines, this is pretty well how it's going to look in the search engines. And so your description is going to appear as the description underneath the page link. And then you just come up here and click on Update. Well, that pretty well takes care of it for the search engine optimization aspects of your Website Builder account. If you have any questions regarding any of this, certainly get in touch with our tech support on our website at BsnTech.com. Alright, this is Brian Spraker with BsnTech Networks. Thank you for watching.